Hey, 7th graders, it's Mrs. Mull. I miss seeing all of you in class. I can't wait to Friday. When you're there, it's going to be great. But today we're going to read The Dinner Party by Mona Gardner. You're going to find some similarities between this story and Rikki Tikki Tavi, especially the setting and the characters. It is much shorter than Rikki Tikki Tavi. It's a page and a half, so it's going to be short today. When we're back together on Friday, we're going to create a plot chart with this story, and we're going to discuss the conflict. There's several characters within this story, but only 3 that you need to focus on. The hostess, the American, and the colonel who's sharing his thoughts at the beginning of the story. So here we go. The country is India. A colonel official and his wife are giving a large dinner party. They're seated with their guests, army officials, and government attachés and their wives, and a visiting American naturalist in their spacious dining room, which is a bare marble floor, open rafters, and wide glass doors opening onto a veranda. Rikki Tikki Tavi award, remember, veranda is that porch. A spirited discussion springs up between a young girl who insists that women have outgrown the jumping on a chair at the side of a mouse era, and a colonel who says that they haven't. A woman's unfailing reaction in any crisis, the colonel says, is to scream. And while a man may feel like it, he has that ounce more of nerve control than a woman has. And that last ounce is what counts. The American does not join in the argument, but watches the other guests. As he looks, he sees a strange expression come over the face of the hostess. She's staring straight ahead, her muscles contracting slightly. With a slight gesture, she summons the native boy behind her chair and whispers to him. The boy's eyes widen. He quickly leaves the room. Of the guests, none except the American notices this or sees the boy place a bowl of milk on the veranda just outside the open doors. The American comes to a start. In India, milk in a bowl means only one thing: bait for a snake. He realizes there must be a cobra in the room. He looks up at the rafters, the likeliest place, but they're bare. 3 corners of the room are empty, and in the 4th, the servants are waiting to serve the next course. There's only one place left: under the table. His first impulse is to jump back and warn the others, but he knows the commotion would frighten the cobra into striking. He speaks quickly, the tone of his voice so arresting that it sobers everyone. I want to know just what control everyone at this table has. I will count to 300. That's 5 minutes, and not one of you is to move a muscle. Those who move will forfeit 50 rupees. Ready? The 20 people sit like stone images while he counts. He is saying 280, when out of the corner of his eye, he sees the cobra emerge and make for the bowl of milk. Screams ring out as he jumps to slam the veranda doors safely shut. "You were right, Colonel," the host exclaims. "A man has just shown us an example of perfect control." "Just a minute," the American says, turning to his hostess. "Mrs. Wines, how did you know that Cobra was in the room?" A faint smile lights up the woman's face as she replies, "Because it was crawling across my foot."